Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm actually pretty excited about today's video because I was going to work on the interior, but this here came. This is obviously a roof visor, and I already have like this little trim, lip thing, so we're going to take that off. I'm going to save it just in case I want to reuse it. But I got this guy here. I think it was like 50 bucks on eBay, and that is off of a EJ7 Civic, so it's the, 97-ish Civic sedan. Basically, a couple years ago, someone had posted that they had like one off of the coupe on their Stratus from a friend, and I don't know, they're not on the internet too much, and I can't find the pictures. But I was digging around, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to try the roof visor. And I was looking, I was like, you know what? The EJ7, the window doesn't look as sloped, so I should be able to get it nice and flush. So the first thing I got to do is pull this off, clean the window, and then I'm going to show you guys how it fits. And I'm actually thinking it's going to fit pretty close. So the first thing I got to do here is pop this guy off. Like I said, it's just some small 3M tape. Same thing as a trunk wing. You just measure what you want and call. So now I'm just going to have to get a razor to clean off some of this old glue. Or not glue, double-sided tape, stickers and stuff. Clean the window real good. I'll peel this off and we'll stick it on. So we'll see how it looks. Alright, got all plastic wrap off. At least I thought I did. There. So, since this is just basically plastic, and the window's nice and clean, I might have to fit it a little bit, but I think I'll be able to get it to work pretty well. Alright, so the way this is going to lay out is this will follow this curve on the side here a little bit, on both sides. But then there'll be a little part of the black windshield on the top, just because the curve's a little bit more aggressive, but it fits widthwise on both sides. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to peel here on each side. I'm going to peel here, flip this over, start it, peel that side, get both sides, ends in place here, nice and neat, and then we'll do the top. It's a little cold. I gotta heat up the glass and the visor so that it sticks. So let me warm all this up so I can get it to stick on there. So I definitely needed both hands to get it in place. Also, if it was warm, it'd probably be able to bend a little bit easier. So I'm just trying to heat it up. As you can see, whoop, it fits okay over here. You've got a little gap on the top, but since the window's black, you're not going to really notice it too much. So I'm going to finish trying to set this in place and make sure it's nice and tight. If I can find some tape, I will try to tape the ends and stuff so that it sets better. Alright, so first thing I can say is that I got it to fit pretty okay, but the bigger issue is the double-sided tape that came with it that was already installed is junk. Even with trying to heat it, having the window properly cleaned and all that, it just doesn't want to stick right. It just wants to keep pulling up in certain spots. Like some of it sticks good, some of it doesn't. So I'm probably have to pull it off and use 3M, like, just normal 3M double-sided tape or trim tape or something like that. That's a little bit better, but here you go. There is, see what I mean? Like, it just doesn't want to stick. Like, I can pull up on this part right now and just pull it off. So it's definitely not going to stay with the tape that it came on it, but give you an idea here. Like I said, here's a little bit of a gap, but since this window is black, tinted up here, it's not too noticeable. I'm not sure. Probably be better if I did this in the summer in the sun where could form this a bit better. But again, it's just an eBay one. I mean, it's sort of on there. I don't know. I don't trust the tape it came with. But there you go. Get that visor wing look on the back. I like it. I'm gonna hold on to the other little one I got. Let me see if you can get a little bit of a bump from the front. But I like the visor look. Obviously I can't pull the car outside right now. But yeah, for the most part, that actually, I like the way it looks. You know, I'm bumping into my garage here trying to get you guys an angle. But yeah, so that year Civic, I'll post the link to the one I bought off eBay. But yeah, for the most part, I like the way it looks. Change it up a little bit. Not sure how it'll fit, what it'll look with the wing. I mean, this is curved down, so ideally it shouldn't really affect the airflow too much. I don't know. You know, this is all just DIY shit here anyway, but let me know what you think. If you like the visor, if you liked the little trim piece I had up there before, let's get an inside look. Yeah, see, it barely, you know, it covers basically where the factory little tint strips were. So it doesn't look really any different from the inside. But for the most part, really like it. Just you do it, or you buy this visor for any of your cars, I recommend replacing it with some better double-sided tape right off the get-go. Don't even mess with it, you know. Test fit it, tape it on there, see if you like it, and then replace the tape immediately. That's what I would recommend. But for the most part, clean up my fingerprints. I mean, I'm pulling on it a little bit. It's not going to come off, but I don't like that tape. So, but yeah, that's a rear visor install, and it fits pretty well for it being from a Civic to fit on a Stratus. And like I said, this little gap is the only thing there. And I think if you really wanted to, you could probably heat this and bend it a little bit. I don't know. There's probably a way you can make it fit a little bit better, but for the most part, I think it fit pretty well. So let me know what you guys think. And ordered some more parts. Ordered a part for the caliber. Got some stuff coming for the Stratus. And when I was at the junkyard the other day, picked up some interior parts. So those will be upcoming videos. And posted the junkyard one separate, just because, you know, I was going to do one big video of what I got in that, but I'm going to break it down. And hopefully, I'm aiming to hit 500 subs by the end of the year. Got 10 more left, so hopefully I can get there. So like and subscribe. Till next time, let me know what you think of the visor. If you like the visor, the trim, or just nothing there at all, drop a comment. So till next time.